What is up, everyone? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to kind of upgrade a little bit my entryway. I don't have any space to hang any coats or bags or anything like that. Everything I have it on a little table here on the side, but I really want to hang them. So I'll be placing a coat hanger and just making it look a little bit better. I have baby Anna in the background, so if you hear her playing in the back, that's where she's at. So I did buy a couple of things for this project, and the first one is this wallpaper. I got it on Amazon. It was really inexpensive, and it's like this shiplap looking kind of thing. So I'll be using this wallpaper up to here, down, and then I'll be using a log or just a piece of wood to be adding some hooks. And the hooks that I chose are these. I got these on Amazon as well, and they're just really modern, really slick looking. So I'll be placing these on top of the wood, and you'll see the whole process. I think baby Anna wants to say hi. Here's baby Anna. She's playing on her activity center. Say hi, mama. Hola. She's gonna be in the background, so if you see her or hear her, there she is. She's in the back. Anyway, so I'm gonna start by removing what I have in the wall, which are these little hooks. They're doggy tails that I got at IKEA, and I'll be placing these somewhere else. To place the wallpaper, the only tools that I need are obviously the wallpaper and this little leveler, just to make sure everything's leveled and your lines are not crooked or anything like that. So we'll start doing that, and then we'll go from there. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do like these kind of videos, and you can comment anything you want. But yeah, that really is appreciated. So let's get started. Okay, so from the get-go, this product is really easy to work with. If you mess up or anything like that, you can definitely just take it off and just put it back on. So I forgot to tell you 3 tools that you're gonna need. Scissors to be cutting the paper, some kind of card. I have this gift card with the ticket in the back, just because I want to know how much it has. But yeah, just a gift card. And then lastly but not least, just a little X-Acto knife, because once you get to the end of the line, you're gonna want to make sure it's nice and straight. So with the X-Acto knife, you can just cut the excess of the wallpaper. Now, the other thing that I was gonna tell you is the first line or the first paper is the most important one. So you wanna make sure that that one is really straight. Make sure you use the leveler. I use the leveler on top to make sure that it's straight, and after that you can just go with the paper and just continue the lines as it is. But the first one is the most important one. If you have that one crooked, everything else is gonna be crooked. So make sure you use a level ruler just to make sure everything's nice and dandy. So let's continue doing it. Okay, so that was definitely a workout, but it's done and it looks pretty good. I just need to add the wood with the hooks, and I think it's gonna be ready to go. So the next clip, you're gonna see me putting the wall. You'll probably see my brother helping me do it, because it's kind of hard to know where to screw it in. So that's gonna be next, and then after that, I'll show you the end product. around 2 to 3 days since you last saw the video where my brother helped me put the wood and the screws, but I want to show you exactly how it ended up looking, and it looks really nice. Let me show you up close. So this is the end result, and I really love it. It looks really nice. I just need to stain it. Maybe later on I'll just stain the wood, but I think it looks really cool. I can hang anything I want. Let me show you with the purse. It's really sturdy. He put 4 screws in, and 2 of them are hidden behind the hooks, so you can't see them, but it looks really nice, and it's just a really cool way to spice up your entryway if you need a hook system. So I hope you like this little upgrade that I did to my entryway. If you did like it, make sure to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. Baby Anna says that she wants to go to bed already, so yeah, make sure you follow me over there. I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen, and yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless you.